Hi, I'm Logan. Come and watch what we find in April.
Come along, Wilee. April is waking up. Let's see what's changed.
Look at this, Andrew. The trees are covered in soft petals. It smells fresh and new. Shh! That little bird is building a home. I think we should watch quietly. The woods are turning blue, like a soft carpet. It feels like a secret place. Look in the water! Tiny tadpoles! They'll grow bigger every day. Oh, a flutterby! I could chase it, but I think I'll just watch. I found one! And another one. April has surprises everywhere.
Well done, Wilee. But the best treasures aren't the ones we find. They're the ones we notice. Like this beautiful April sunset. Did you enjoy what we found today? Then like, subscribe, and share and come back to see what we discover next month. See you soon!